Okay, DI. Okay. So good morning, everyone. We'd like to thank you that despite the bad weather, nandito kayo. And I hope you have prayed so that our country remains safe, pati hindi masyadong maging malaki ang salanta ni Yolanda. But we have a storm brewing dito. It's World Pneumonia Day. Tama yung sinabi ni Lulu kanina. We can be 50, 60 people, but if this spreads, it's going to give us the most benefits at ang benefits naman yung makikita natin sa mga bata sa future generation. And ang good news namin sa Department of Health, we have introduced pneumococcal vaccine sa ating bansa. Palakpak naman dyan, And this guarantees na yung mga bata, mga Pilipino, at least doon sa quintile 1, quintile 2, kailangan nung maintindihan nyo, unahin muna namin, wala pang universal coverage sa pneumococcal vaccine, unahin muna namin yung nasa conditional cash transfers areas. And I hope you will understand. Malay nyo, before this administration ends, universal na ang coverage. Palakpak nyo yung okay. Now, I will prepare the special number, sasabayan nyo ako. Kasi 5th birthday natin ngayon. So, it's Gimme 5. Yung isa sila natin. Okay ba kayo? Okay. Position.